my name is Linda, and today we're going to be learning the dance break for ITZY's WANNABE. Oh. And shout out to the choreographers, Mr. Brian Friedman and Miss Lee Jung Lee. So let's go ahead and we're going to get started. We're going to start with our hands on our waist. Left leg is going to step out. We're going to sit in our hip on 1. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, sit 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. We're going to keep doing that on 4. Arms are going to come out. So let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, sit 1, sit 2, sit 3, extend 4. From here, we're going to do it again. We're going to keep doing the hips. Arms are going to come up 5 and a 6 and a 7. On 8, our legs are going to jump together, hands down from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sit 1 and a 2 and a 3. Down 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7, 8. From here, left leg's going to come up, right arm's going to swing down, and we're going to open up on 2. I'm going to jump together 3. And we're going to throw 4. Cool. So let's go over this from here. We did 7, 8. We're going to swing down. Right arm's going in front of you. I'm going to drop it down behind me on 2. Bring my legs together. Arms are coming up. I'm going to swing to the left, swing to the right. Then from here, I'm going to jump onto my left leg. Boom. And I'm going to swing my right arm. Yes. So from the beginning, slow. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2 and a 3. Down 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7, 8. Swing down, left, right, throw. From here, your right leg's going to step down. Arms are going to swing to the right side. Then we're going to go ahead, swing to the left side. My head is going to do a full circle, and then I'm going to bring it down. All right, so from here, we just ended on 4 with the swing. I'm going to step out, boom, swing your head to the right. Then we're going to swing our head to the left. I'm going to make a big circle towards my right. Hands are starting to come together. Then I'm going to flip everything down, feet come together. So one more time from the throw. We're swinging to the right, to the left, circle, and bring it down. All right. When you're bringing it down, make sure your feet are together and your hands, and you're looking down, forehead to your forearms. Cool? All right, let's go from the beginning, slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7, 8. Swing 1, open 2, left, right, throw. Swing to the right, to the left, throwing up and bringing together. All right. One little note for the beginning. I watched Ryujin for this part, and she keeps her chin down when she opens 1 and a 2 and a 3. On 4, they say, hey. You're going to switch your head up on hey. Then when we go to 5, boom, bring the head back down, sharp. 7, then we bring it together on 8. Cool. Let's go one more time from the beginning. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2 and a 3, 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7, 8. Down, 2, swing and 4, swing, swing, head up and down. All right, let's go ahead. That is the end of section 1. We're going to do now slow with counts, medium tempo with counts, and tempo with counts. Okay? All right, so slow. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4. Down and a 6 and a 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Swing 5, 6, up and down. Cool. All right, let's do mempo. We're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Now let's go ahead. We're gonna do tempo. We're going 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. All right. Let's go ahead. Let's try it with the music. First time, please just watch, try to find my timing, try to find what the lyrics and the beats are. And then the second time, feel free to join me. Let's go. Going 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. All right, second time around, let's do it together. Go. Going 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that was the end of section 1. And let's move on to the next part, which is the floor part. Cool. All right, so section 1 ended with us swinging, bring it up, and bring it down. From here, our arms are gonna jump. Well, our arms are coming out, we're jumping out. Then we're going to bring our knees in, and we're gonna open up on 2, hands on your knees. So again, this is 5, 6, up and down. Jump out 1 and 2. When you jump out, you wanna make sure you get a big stance. Keep your arms straight. And then as I'm coming with my knees in, I bring it down a little bit. Then from here, I'm gonna open up on 2. You wanna get a low and wide stance so that way it'll help you keep your balance for the next move. From here, we're going to shift our weight onto our right leg. We're gonna bring our hands around our head. And then as I'm shifting my weight, I'm gonna go down, My left arm is gonna be in front and crossed. So again, we did 1 and 2. Our hands are coming on top of each other. They're gonna go on the side of my head, behind my head, going down, and then bam, we're down here on the ground. For this position, you wanna make sure that your arms are straight and your head is looking up. Go. All right, let's bring it from here. This is 5, 6, up 7, down 8. Jump and 2, open 3 and 4. From here, we're going to swing our head towards the right. Yeah, towards our right. And then we're gonna bring it up like that. At the same time, my arm is going to cross over. I'm going to swing my head. My legs are going to straighten. And then I'm gonna bring my right arm up towards the front. And I'm gonna cross it, bringing up my head. Again, from here, this is 3, down 4. We're going to keep our head down, swinging towards the left, nope, towards our right, and then we're gonna bring down here. When you're in this position, okay, so from here, when you're coming up, you wanna keep both of your legs straight, your little booties up in the air, and then when we come back down, you wanna flip your head, keep that nice and sharp. So again, let's bring it back from jumping out. This is 1 and 2, around 3, down 4, swing 5 and 6. Oh, sorry, my head went up a little bit early. You wanna come up only on 6. Let's try it again. We're going 1 and 2, around 3, down 4, swing 5, up 6. On 6, you wanna make sure that drop is sharp onto your left leg. To finish this, left arm's gonna open up, left knee's coming in. Let me just tuck that in. My right leg's coming here on 7, and on 8, we're gonna do a mini slide. So let's go back from here. Your left arm, left arm should be in front. You're going to open up your left arm, and you're gonna bring in your right leg into this position. It's a little bit awkward, but that's okay. Next part, you're gonna bring your left knee down, right arm up. And you want to keep this picture nice and strong. Okay, let's bring it from the 1 and a 2. 7, 8, jumping 1 and a 2, around 3, down 4. We're going to turn our head, 5, down 6, open 7, slide 8. Yeah, this part should be the most physically demanding, so once we're through with here, you guys are gonna be good. But let's go from here. This is 1 and the 2, around 3, down 4. Swing your head, 5, down 6, open up 7, slide 8. Yeah, cool. Let's go from end of section 1. We just did this, on that, around and a jump. Jump out 1 and a 2, round 3, down 4. Swing your head, 6, 7, slide 8. Cool. All right, let's do it one more time, then we're gonna move on. We're going 5, 6, around 7, 8, open 1 and a 2, round 3, 4, down 5, and 6, 7, open 8. Cool. From here, your right hand's going down, right arm is just going to turn down to here. Your head is looking towards the front. And on 2, you're gonna straighten out your legs, whoop! And you wanna keep your arms straight, head down. We're gonna go 3 and 4. All right, let's go back. So from the slide, hold on. We're gonna bring right arm down, right leg towards the front, still looking towards the front. Then from here on 2, boop. You're going to go ahead, straighten out your leg. Let me just tuck in my pants. All right, and then from here, you're gonna come up, and as you come up, your right arm is going to swing all the way up, and you're gonna go all the way towards the right. You wanna try and get that arch in your back, and this is 3 and 4. So again, from the slide, whoop, we're going down 1, straighten 2, come up 3 and 4. We're almost done. We're gonna just walk back, walk back. We're gonna bring our right hand forward to the front, 1 finger, left hand on here, and we're just gonna go 7, 8, yeet. Good. So from here, we did the slide. We're going 1, up 2, coming 3 and 4. Walk back 5, walk back 6, post 7, 8. Yeah, and I just added a little bit knee, so my right hip is popped, and we're just going down. I come up with my left hip, and as I'm pressing back down, whoop, my head pops up as well. Cool. One more time from the slide. From here, down 1, up 2, 3 and 4. We walk 5, walk 6, post 7, 8. Yeah. Good. Let's go from this, end of section 1. We're gonna go swing, swing, up and down. Open 1 and a 2, 3, down 4. Roll your head, 6, down and slide. 1, up 2, 3 and 4. Walk 5, walk 6, post 7, 8. Yes. A few pointers from here. You can think, I like to think that I'm like Spider-Man, and I'm gonna go around. As I come around, you already wanna shift your weight onto your right, and then we're gonna go down here. When you swing, try to keep your legs straight up, and then we're gonna go down. And then this, for the slide, I do like a really small slide. You don't have to do anything super crazy. Just bring it forward just a little bit. Make sure you keep that arm up. This is keeping on 1, up 2. For here, if your leg has a hard time straightening, just try your best to like keep it as straight as possible. And then we're gonna open up 3 and 4, arch the back. We're gonna walk back 5, 6, and for your pose, have it ready, looking down with the finger and coming up. That's the end of section 2. And now we are done with the song. Woo. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna run it back with slow counts, medium, and tempo from the end of section 1. We're going 5, 6, up 7, down 8. 1 and 2, open 3, down 4, 5 and 6, 7, slide, 1, 2, 3 and 4, walk 5, 6, post 7, 8. Cool. Let's do a medium tempo. We're going 5 and a 6, up, 7, 8, 1 and a 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Yes. Okay, let's speed it up. We're going to do tempo. We're going 5 and a 6, go, 7, 8, 1 and a 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 6 and 7, 8. Good. All right. Now we're going to bring it back from the top. Let me just tuck this in. We're going to bring it back from the top. We're going to do medium tempo for the whole dance break. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Swing, 6, 7, 8. Open 2 and a 3, down 4, 5 and a 6, 7. Slide, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Go. All right, let's go ahead. We're gonna do it with music. First time, just watch me, try to, get the feeling of the rhythm and how quick it can be. And then the second time, join me. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. All right, now join me. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the end of class. Thank you guys so much for taking it. I hope you guys have fun. Keep practicing. It's a little bit hard, but you got it. I want to give a shout out to my friend Bio for styling me, and she's been great. If you guys record yourself, please tag me on Instagram at Linda Wangsta, Linda Wangsta, tag STEEZY, and yeah, enjoy. See you guys. Bye.